Ayusek, good morning. Well, Vice President Sara Duterte recently made a short trip to Paris, France after her visit to Kuwait. And based on our monitoring, she outnumbered the number of foreign trips of the President, 11 kay VP Sara and at least 5 kay Pangulong Marcos. So can Malacanang confirm if all of these trips, whether official or personal, were duly cleared and approved by the Office of the President? And does the palace support calls from lawmakers to release all travel records ng mga public officials? Kasi hinamon po ni VP Sara yung mga mambabatas to release their travel records. Dapat po bang gawin na yun para mawala yung mga questions ng mga tao?
Yung travel po ng Vice Presidente, natuloy din po yung sa Kuwait. Yan naman po ay may travel authority. So, hindi naman po siya mapipigilang umalis sa mga araw na gusto niyang umalis. So, cleared naman po yun. May travel authority po.